Hey guys! Today I'm sharing my top 6 picks of amazing breastfeeding tutorial creator. Creator number 6 is Amelia Education. Her YouTube handle is @AmeliaEDU. Creator number 5 is Ellie Breastfeeding. Her YouTube handle is @BreastfeedingEllie. Creator number 4 is Aoki Tutorials. Creator 3 is Maddie Moon. Her YouTube channel is @EducationMaddie. Creator 2 is the beautiful Sarah White. I'm sure by now you've all come across a Sarah White video. Her YouTube video handle is @XOSarahWhiteXOX. Our number 1 creator is Lucy Education. Her YouTube handle is @LucyEducation. But here are 2 honorable mentions. First up is Stacy Feeding. Her YouTube handle is @StacyEducations. And the next mention is Olivia's Milk Guide. Her YouTube handle is @Breastfeeding for Beginners. So cheers to the old creators who have paved the way, and cheers to the new ones daring to make their mark. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned to keep up with who's still on the list, who's been replaced, and which fresh faces are entering the space. Peace.